create your own emoji. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, have you ever wanted to create your very own emoji? Well, today I'll show you how. First, open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Emoji Kitchen. Then tap on it and then now you have to tap on Get Cooking. Then you'll have to select any two emojis you like and watch them merge into a brand new emoji. So you can randomize it too and clear all and choose any emoji that you want. It's as simple as that. Now you have to copy your creation and then just paste it to your favorite social media platform. It will even save to your keyboard for easy access. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.